tree, small tree. Now I'm going to build a farm. The farm is ready. It's time to make the fence.
This is how the real farm looks like. Now I'm going to place some animals inside my farm. First, I'm going to keep a rabbit.
A rabbit.
Next, a donkey.
A donkey.
Then I'm going to bring a pig.
A pig.
This is a dairy cattle. Look at these cute little dogs.
Dog.
Here comes the duck and the goose. You can see some differences between duck and goose, like their sizes and habitat. Can you find the difference? Yes, you're right. This is duck and this one is goose. Next, I'm going to place some chickens in my farm. Male chickens called
Rooster.
and the female chicken called hen. Can you find which one is rooster and which is hen? Yeah, that's right. This is rooster and this one is hen. Here comes a sheep. A sheep. Wow, look at this cute little cat. A cat. He's a farmer. And he's a farm worker. They are going to take care of my farm. I'm going to place some haystacks and some pet foods in my farm. These are tractors. Tractors are really helpful for farmers. All set? You want to? I hope you learned about some farm animals with me.
It's puzzle time.
In this puzzle, I saw one rooster, 2 tractors, 4 pigs. What else do you see? Next puzzle. And here I saw 1 lantern, 3 chicks, 1 lamb. What else do you see? Don't forget to subscribe to learn and play more.
Thank you, friends.